Hello, Twe Twe. Hello, is this mic on? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey, today I am going to be unboxing a package for one of my customers. Well, I did a procurement for her, so I helped her to buy all these items from China. So we are going to be unboxing and seeing what we got together. I also ordered some things for some other people. So the total of everything is about 20 kg. So we are going to unbox today. So stay tuned. Please like and subscribe. Love you. So let me just open everything right now. I don't have space on my phone, so I have to do this really fast because there's no space. So, and I'm tired. I just got home from traffic, serious traffic on the road. I'm exhausted, so I'm going to rush this unboxing. So guys, our importation class is still on. If you want to learn how to import from China, basically Pindodo, 1688 and the likes, you want to learn how to import, send me a DM. Okay, our class is just 5k. They have packed this, they have overpacked this thing. So the first thing, she ordered some airbands. This is the airband. Some airbands. So next, I'm trying to be so fast. So this is for a different customer. This guy has not paid a shipping fee. Come and pay a shipping fee. Mama, why did I tear a nylon like that? But she ordered a school bag. See this school bag, it's so cute. And the quality is so nice. I want one. Now I need one for myself. What is this? I don't know what this is. Oh, my top. See my top. I ordered a crop top for myself. So this is mine. So more airbands. Why? So this is like 5 packs. Then air clips. She ordered air clips. She ordered what is this? What is this? Hey, try not to run out of space. Okay. These Crocs. I'm so jealous of these Crocs. So all the people that order Crocs, I'm so jealous of them. So we got more Crocs. If you saw our last video, people really like these Crocs. They were rushing it. So more Crocs for them. That's 3 other Crocs. I need to buy one for myself. It's so beautiful. So let me show you what she got. She got these cups. So it's like a mug. I'm so tired. But these are cups. Please, where is the straw? Why is there no straw in this thing? One. So she ordered like 2 different designs. She just told me to order like different designs for her. See this one. Oh, see. I have to look for the straw because why am I not seeing straw in this thing? God, I better go. These cups are not complete without their straws. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's plenty, but I cannot start counting them on camera because I need to say. So the next thing she ordered this vacuum flask. It's a flask like water flask. Oh wow, this is so pretty. See. Hi, Jesus, sorry about that. But she ordered some flask. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. These things are heavy. Oh Jesus. 3, 4. This is why our shipping fee was so much. So this is 7. I think she ordered 7. So this is the cups. These cups, where is their straw? Okay, see the straws. Oh my god, see the straws. Oh, see the straw. See the straw, so nice, and it's glass. Oh, so the cups are like the major things she wants to sell. So that's like she's starting a new business, so that's what she's selling. Who's Badu? It's not on me now. See the way I'm setting. So the next one on my list, she got this mug. Hey God, I wish I ordered one for myself. See, it's all this Stanley Cup look-alike type of thing. This is so nice and it's strong. Like it's really strong. So guys, if you are not buying on my pre-order, I don't know what you are doing, because look at the quality of all these things. What you see is literally what you get. There's no left or right or no whatever. What you see is what you get. And we have some straws here. This is another straw. This is another straw. So next, this is someone's shoe. So this belongs to Sharon, I think. This is Sharon's shoe. Yes, as slippers. So she ordered this flat. Is it flat? So that's finally come. Oh my God. See the way I'm rushing this thing. So we got more mugs. She ordered a lot of mugs basically. That is all I ordered. Now I know why our package was so heavy. Because everything is pali. Everything is inside carton. Wow, look at this. This is like a Starbucks cup. Wow. This is so nice. It's so nice. She got different colors. So she ordered different colors of this cups. So different colors. Oh, look at this purple one. Wow, can you see? These things are heavy. Oh geez. Now I know why our shipping fee was so high. I just hope she will be able to calculate a landing cost. So these are the straws for it. Really beautiful. Then this is another thing that she ordered. Oh my God. So this is the last but not the least of all the mugs that she ordered. This one is like a, woo, look at this. And this is the straw. So you know these cups now. See, it's so nice. So this is all she ordered, guys. I don't have strength today because I didn't eat lunch at work and I'm so hungry. I'm so tired. So I'm just going to pack the rest of our order offline. I'll pack the rest offline and just I want to faint. I'll pack the rest offline and just do like just pack everyone's order offline basically. Who ordered this one? Is it me? So okay, there are smaller items in this place, like, oh, my charger. I should know that. I can't leave me. I cannot just order only tops now. See, I ordered chargers. iPhone chargers, phone case. I don't know why they ordered this phone case. Can you see? This someone's phone case. And what is this? Oh, she also ordered some jewelries. She added some jewelries to her order, some necklaces, and this. What is this? Okay, hair clips. So yeah, she also ordered some hair clips, and I think that's it. So we still have a lot of cups here. I was really scared of these cups, but they package them very well, and they don't break easily. Actually, they are very strong, so they don't break easily. So it's just more cups and cups and cups and cups and cups. That is here, Sha. Thank you for watching this video. I'm about to faint from hunger, from stress, from everything. Let me just pack her order so that I can send it to her tomorrow. Okay? Thank you for watching. Love you. Please subscribe and like this video for more. I don't know, my energy is so low today. I'm so tired, but yeah. Like and subscribe. If you just join our class is still on. Send me a DM to the WhatsApp number you are seeing right now. So bye.